140 years is a long time in the history of any institution. BSE has come a long way since when it started first in 1875 with 4 or 5 members under a banyan tree to housing the facilities in a swanky building in fort area with latest technology, state of the art facilities. And if I say that BSE has many firsts to their credit. First stock exchange in Asia, first stock exchange in post independence India, even when before SCRA was passed, when the contracting securities was regulated, and also the first to have equity cult among investors. And I would say that BSE has been instrumental in building significant wealth, particularly if I remember post 73 when companies were asked to dilute, the FERA companies, they were asked to dilute their stake. A large number of investors invested in those companies and benefited. Immense amount of wealth has been created in large number of these companies. So it's been a long journey. They were the first ones to have an investor protection fund. Then of course after the SEBI came into being and subsequent developments, they have seen several developments. And I think recently, of late, I would say in the last 10-15 years, landscape has changed tremendously. Regulatory, technology, wider distribution, and BSE has been able to, with advent of competition, I think NSE came into being, online trading platform. Technology really changed the landscape, and with regulatory changes today, investors are, I still remember, I think in late 90s, the information availability with respect to whether about the companies, etc. Today they are available on the most of the websites. It was a difficult kind of situation to get the information, and information was flowing annually. Today it's available quarterly. Even monthly sales figure are available for automobiles. Today it happens to be one of the fastest stock exchanges in the world. It can boast about having the largest number of listed companies as compared to anywhere else, and having almost a market cap of something like $1.7 trillion. So all in all, a very eventful journey, and I think 140 years it has seen major milestones.